Do you want to play fun hidden games like this? This. And this. Well, stick around because I'm about to show you where to find them. Hi guys, this is Vanryn. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll show you some awesome games you can actually play inside Google. Yup, you heard it right, in Google itself. First, open your Google and click Search Labs. Then scroll down until you see more experiments. Once you're there, click on Viola the Bird. Okay, so this cool little game was created by David Lee in collaboration with Google Arts and Culture. Okay, all you need to do is to drag like this. Drag it left and right. Move your mouse. Okay. Okay, and you can actually choose songs here. And you can do freestyle. Click it. Okay, and you can do whatever you want. So nice, right? So you can actually play this if you're bored in your home. And you can also record your performance. Let's click it and you can actually record it. And let's hit stop. See? Super fun, right? Now, if you click the exit, you'll see even more hidden games. Games like Blob Beat, The Descent of the Serpent, Geo Artwork, Blob Opera, and Puzzle Party. And there's more if you view all the experiments. So we'll try some of them today and let's see which one's your favorite. So let's try this Blob Beat. Play game, play. And you can choose classical and opera songs. Let's choose this one. Easy. And here's how to play it. Just tap letter S, D, F, and G on your keyboard. And let's hit play. I don't know how to play it. All you do, just catch the ball. Okay? And let's play Blob Opera. This is also created by David Lee and Google Arts and Culture. So let's drag the sing bus. Drag the sing tenor. Drag the sing mezzo soprano. Drag the sing soprano. Wow. And you can take Blob on tour. Let's hit South Korea. Okay. Let's drag it. This is actually fun. You can try this. The Descent of the Serpent. Start game. Skip. Okay, select your disguise. Let's select this. Joggy. Continue. And challenge. Continue. Okay, this is the movement, the action button, the inventory. Okay, the goal is to find this object hidden in the jungle. Then speak with the guardian. Okay, let's try this out. There's no way out. Let's try other way. Oops, there's monkey. Sorry. Spider. Oh, so that's all you do. Just collect the coin. And that's it. Enjoy exploring these hidden Google games and let me know in the comments which one you like the most. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share, and comment and also subscribe to my channel for more awesome tutorials. See you next time. Bye!